their name because they can spring into the air. Yeah, even though they look small there. Now, baby giraffe are born at about 6 feet
Look,
tall.
a baby one.
With birds standing up.
It's right there.
Oh, look, there's one. Ooh.
There's 4 of them.
Look how look I said she was like.
Look, a bunny.
Inside there. Springbok orange tree there.
Elephants are.
It's on your right.
Yeah, good picture of his butt.
Simon, look.
The elephant out there as well.
Baby. Take a picture.
Now, baby elephants are on their trunks as the mud. And another view of that giraffe on your right.
Now I'm gonna get that giraffe. That's where he gets water at.
We are on Flamingo Island over here. This is where we can find some greater flamingos. Now, baby flamingos are actually hatched gray. It does take about, they'll get their pink color from the shrimp that they eat. There's a protein in that shrimp that gives them that color. So if you see a baby,
High rock layers.
white rhinos. White rhinos are bigger than the black rhinos, weighing up to 5,000 pounds. They use those tusks to help burrow and to help fight off predators. And they are fully grown, mature, and are natural grazers. They do eat gorillas, meerkats, and another spot to watch. You can take the train over the animals such as grabbing all of your belongings, as I will be dropping you off.